Algeria is reportedly interested in acquiring 7 of Leonardo's newest AW249 Fenice attack helicopters for use by the Algerian Air Force, Aérienne Algérienne. If this materializes, Algeria will become the first foreign user of the modern Italian-made attack helicopter. The AW249 will replace the aging Mi-24 Hind attack helicopter fleet. The Algerian Air Force currently operates around 30 Mi-24s. The AW249 will also equip the Algerian Air Force's 42 Mi-28NE attack helicopters. This interest is in line with Algeria's strategy to invest in high-tech military equipment to strengthen its regional defense capabilities. Regarding the AW249, this tandem-seat helicopter was developed for the Italian Army to replace the lighter A129 Mangusta. Designed to operate in multi-domain operations (MDO) scenarios with a fully digital architecture and significantly enhanced capabilities, the AW249 represents a qualitative leap compared to its predecessors. Its advanced features include an open architecture that allows the integration of new subsystems, a suite of advanced sensors such as lidar, millimeter wave radar, and infrared cameras. Additionally, the helicopter has an integrated battle management system, BMS, that allows it to operate as a node in a digital battlespace, thereby enhancing the crew's situational awareness. The AW249 is equipped with a self-protection suite including an infrared countermeasures system and threat detection sensors, which optimize crew safety in combat operations. Equipped with 2 General Electric CT-78E6 engines, the AW249 has a maximum cruising speed of 249 km per hour and can carry a maximum load of 2,800 kg. In terms of weapons, the AW249 is equipped with a variety of missiles and rockets, including Rafael's Spike ER-2 missile which has a range of up to 16 km. Another innovative aspect of the AW249 is its manned-unmanned teaming (MUM-T) capability, which enables the integration and control of drones to extend its operational range and capabilities. This feature is critical for modern combat operations, where collaboration between manned and unmanned platforms can be the deciding factor on the battlefield. The first operational AW249 unit for the Italian Army is expected to enter service in 2025.